In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up a wishlist in ShopWired, and I'll show you how easy it is to get started with the platform. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'll share a hidden feature that can take your ShopWired experience to the next level. Let's dive into the setup process. First things first, you need to log in to your ShopWired account. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu, where you'll find an option for Wishlist. This is the place where you'll configure the wishlist feature for your store. Now, the second thing you'll do is enable the wishlist feature. It's not active by default, so you'll need to click on Enable Wishlist to start using it. This allows your customers to save products they like for later, which is a great way to increase your chances of them coming back to buy. Next, let's customize the wishlist page. ShopWired gives you some options to tailor the appearance of the wishlist to match your store's branding. You can choose the layout, decide whether to allow guest users to add items, and set a product limit for each wishlist. These small touches make the experience much smoother for your customers and ensure it fits your site's design. The fourth thing is making sure that the wishlist is visible on product pages. To do this, go back to your product settings and look for the option to show an Add to Wishlist button. You'll want this button to be easy to spot. This helps increase engagement with the wishlist feature. Next up, managing your customers' wishlist is key. As an admin, you can view and edit wishlists. You'll find the option under the Customer tab. This allows you to check in on the most popular products, which can give you insights into what your customers want, helping you optimize your store's inventory and marketing. Moving forward, let's talk about notifications. You can set up email alerts for when a product on a customer's wishlist goes on sale or is back in stock. This adds a personalized touch that can help convert wishlists into sales. Plus, it keeps your customers coming back to your site. Now, let me give you a quick overview of ShopWired's wishlist feature. While it's pretty straightforward and easy to implement, there are some limitations. The customization options are decent, but if you're looking for a fully flexible wishlist that integrates seamlessly with marketing tools and has more advanced customization options, you might hit a wall. And that brings me to what I'll share with you at the end of the video. I'll mention a few alternatives that not only have a wishlist feature, but also give you a lot more flexibility and control over your store's shopping experience. They also offer free trials, which you can access through our link in the description. Lastly, if you're still interested in ShopWired, I have an exclusive and extended free trial link just for you, which unlocks additional benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But don't miss out on the alternatives I mentioned. These are the tools you'll want if you're really focused on building the best wishlist experience for your customers.